Hi you guys, I'm Lisa and welcome back to What the Bake. It's only a couple days until Valentine's Day. I thought this week I would rather make a Galentine's Day dessert. If you have no idea what Galentine's Day is, no worries. It's when you're not really a fan of Valentine's Day and you prefer to spend the day with your family and friends. So I was inspired by a really great song, Thank You Next by Ariana Grande. Maybe you've heard of it? So for my Galentine's Day dessert, I decided to make a Thank You Next chocolate smashbox. So we're going to fill this smashbox with all your favorite candies and chocolate. You don't have to use the ones that I did. And then when we're done, we're going to hit it and smash it until all our candy falls out. Without further ado, let's get baking. We're going to start by rolling out a little bit of fondant. Then using a sharp knife, we're going to cut small little blocks. We will use this to create the cutout letters. We want to make sure that our smashbox looks like the iconic Thank You Next cover art. So I'm first going to use an edible marker to draw out the font, and then when I'm happy with it, I'm going to use a little bit of black food coloring and paint it in. Next, we're going to move on to our actual smashbox. We're going to melt our white chocolate in the microwave. Remember to stir. When it is nice and smooth, you can add a little bit of pink food coloring. For our smashbox, I decided to use a silicone mold. This will make it so much easier to get the chocolate to pop out. Add your pink white chocolate and then smooth it out using a spoon. Quick tip, don't use too much white chocolate. If your smashbox is too thick, it's going to be really hard to break it. Let it rest at room temperature for about 10 to 20 minutes and then pop it out of the mold. You can fill your smashbox with any candy and chocolate that you like. I really like Quality Treat. This was definitely my go-to when I had any boy troubles or if I was just a little bit homesick. Cover it with a cake board and then flip it over. Add a little bit of melted chocolate to the back of your fondant letters and then start placing them on your smashbox. And now for the fun part, let's get smashing. And there you guys have it, my Thank You Next chocolate smashbox. It was so fun taking a wooden spoon and smashing my smashbox. But don't take my word for it, you guys can give it a try. And you only need fondant, white chocolate, food coloring, and your favorite candies. It's so easy. If you guys decide to give it a try, please take a photo and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see you guys smash your smashboxes. As usual, if you guys like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Happy Valentine's Day and Galentine's Day. Next!